Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is y equals mx plus c, the equation that captures every straight line. By the end of this video, you'll know what m and c mean, how to read them off any line equation, and the rearrangement trap that catches half of candidates. Definition. In the equation y equals mx plus c, the m is the gradient, the steepness of the line. The c is the y-intercept, the value of y when the line crosses the y-axis. So y equals 3x plus 5 has a gradient of 3 and a y-intercept of 5. Two numbers, full description of the line. Key insight: rearrange any line equation into the y equals mx plus c form first. Then the m and c just jump out at you. So if you're given 2y minus 6x equals 4, divide by 2 and rearrange. Y equals 3x plus 2. Gradient 3, intercept 2. And remember, parallel lines have the same gradient, just different intercepts. Common mistake: 2y equals 4x plus 6 does not have the gradient 4. Divide both sides by 2 first. Y equals 2x plus 3. Now the gradient is 2. If the coefficient of y isn't 1, you have to divide everything through before reading off m and c. Quick example: y equals 3x minus 7. The gradient m is 3. The y-intercept c is minus 7. The line crosses the y-axis at minus 7. Two pieces of information, both visible at a glance once the equation is in standard form.